Hello dear friends, today we are going to make sure that you can align the taskbar so that the start button is displayed on the left side of the screen. The first thing we will do is find an empty spot on the taskbar. We right click and you will see a menu pop up. From this menu we choose Taskbar Settings. Left click and you couldn't guess it, but a new window appears. In the new window we search for taskbar behaviors, again using the left mouse button. At the very top you see taskbar alignment and to the right of that you have a selection box. Left click on the box and you will get two options, left and center. Now comes the logic. If you choose left, the taskbar will be aligned left. If you choose center, the taskbar will be center aligned. That was all the steps you need to take to align the taskbar to the left. Like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.